Okay, now we have, zoom out a tad. Now we have Santa Meets Mr. Dippleman. I just thought this was such a cute cover, and it's just adorable. So this one, I decided to do this teal and navy blue flannel. This is doubled thickness, just so you know it's heavy. And it was made with, what do you call it? So, you know, see the stitching here? So it was like all stitched, like kind of quilt style. And then I adorned it here with some rope, red rope, and I just thought that was really pretty accent. And this one has the snowman little wine marker, because there's lots of snow on the front page here, so I just thought it was really cute. And then here is the back. And again, this is 2.5-inch spine. I'm pretty sure I made them all the same. Yes, 2.5-inch spine for the mini ones, and there's only 2 of these available. This one and the letter to Santa. So there's only 2 of them that are small. So this one is 6 3/4 by 9 3/4. Again, this is a nice small one. Be great for December daily if you would like. This one has 94 pages, front and back. Okay, so this one had a plain inside, so I did a greeting card pocket with a tag here. All right, so let's flip through this one. This is from the Helen Steiner Rice poem book. This is the Treasury of Stories. It's a DIY vintage book. It's a scrapbook paper pocket. This is from the art literature book. Greeting card, recycled. Music paper. Nativity scene. Here's a book page of birds, and on the other side I believe is the cardinal, if I remember right. We'll see. This is Holly and Berry stationery. Here's the adult coloring book. Yep, there we go. When Santa Claus Gets Your Letter music. Frosty the Snowman, there's that art page. This is out of a children's book, but I don't recall what the name of that one is. And this is this page here. These pages here is from the Christmas Across America book, and like I said, they are really thick pages, and so this is another page too. And I always leave tons of room because this bulks up, so I like it nice and wide here. All right, second signature, that's Christmas America book. It's an atlas, a vintage atlas, some holiday wrapping paper. This is a old kind of reader book. Here's some music paper. There's a lamppost. This is an envelope that I left it as is, but you can cut it here. You could seal this, then you can cut the end, but I love the snowman. This is from this is 1969 DNR book, so I just thought that was appropriate. This is from the Scratch and Sniff, so I don't I don't know if it'll work. You have to try it, but it's a really cute kids book. Some wallpaper, some bulb stationery. This is from the Missing Mitten Mystery. Here is a window envelope. Here's a vintage book page. And I think this is from the art and literature book. This is some stationery. This is from the Reminisce book. Just love the pictures in the Reminisce. Oh, this got folded. So here's a holiday envelope, and you can do whatever. You can make pockets here, a pocket here, leave it as an envelope. This got stuck in here. And then this is the other side. See, look at that, Precious Moments. I love that. And then the last signature, look at this car lit up. I think it's, is it Elvis? No, it would be on this side. Christmas Class at 1957 Bel Air, Peacock Lane in Portland, Oregon. That's that one. Alright, here's some more Christmas stationery. This is a holiday needlepoint. Here's a calendar page. Some vintage, kind of like a workbook page, adult coloring book page. Here's the arts, National Arts book. I just love that. Christmas on the Mississippi. It's beautiful. Here's a scrapbook of paper pocket. 12 Days of Christmas. This is just a children's book page. Here is the Little Mermaid holiday scrapbook paper. It's kind of like in a tablet. And then here is a piece of recycled gift wrap. I just love that. And greeting card, recycled. It's 2009. And then I just thought this was a neat book page. It's out of a book for how to knit. And just, even though he's wearing a red sweater, I just thought it was really neat for holiday colors. And then this is the other side of those pages. Scrapbook pocket. I know I'm going kind of fast, but there's so many books to go through, so you know, I just don't want to keep repeating everything, but I know somebody might fast forward through it. And then there's the back. So I love this one. It's one of my favorites. And so then here is the paper clip. It just goes in the page there and hangs over the edge. Okay, so there's Santa meets Mr. Dippleman. Okay, now we have a mini glue book. So this one measures 7 inches wide by 9 inches tall. And this, actually, they don't have a 3-inch spine. They have, what was it, 2.5 inch. So they have a 2.5 inch spine. And these are cute little glue books. And this one has a wine marker. And again, it's just on here with a paper clip. And it's just so cute. And these things are heavy. They're metal. And then, so this one has... This one to me looked country, so I put, took this quilting piece that had the batting in it and everything, and I just kind of left it that raw looking, and I just love that look. So I kept that, so it's all showing. I just love that. And then a little bit of lace trim there. And then here is the back. Alright, so let's take a look. And now this one has the really cute end paper here, so I didn't do a greeting card. Alright, so this one has 108 pages front and back. So let's flip through this one. This is a Helen Steiner Rice book page, Christmas Holiday Poems. There's Christmas trees, some vintage work papers, coloring book. This was appropriate for Christmas. Birds in Bloom magazine. This is actually the front cover page, so it's thick. This is some stationery. This is a Christmas Tales book. Some wallpaper. This is a nativity, has palm trees here. This one here I made a pocket out of. This is some holiday decorating books. This is an adult coloring book. And here's some stationery. And then here is an envelope that was made. This one you can fold down or you can glue and make that a pocket. It's really cute. Alright, let's take this out. Alright, and then it's kind of glossy, so this book page, and this book page is the same. It's from the same book, America, Christmas Across America. So this one's Macy's. This is a needlepoint holiday book. Here's a calendar page. This is a craft how-to book page. This page here is out of a holiday reminisce book. There's a poinsettia out of a plant book. Stationery. This is from a scratch and sniff Christmas book. Some wallpaper. Some wrapping paper. Stationery paper. Pocket here. This is out of it's a Christmas, I can't remember now. The art and literature book. Some more holiday needlepoint, some Christmas music, and then my center I made 2 big pockets. You can glue this shut if you want for a pocket. I love this wrapping paper. It's recycled. Isn't it pretty? It's vintage stationery. Okay, and then again, this is Christmas in America, another page. It says Myron Wright, Alaska photo. Greeting card. Atlas page. Some wrapping paper. Silent Night music. I just love that with the holes in it. There's some more wrapping paper, vintage. This is a little boy, he's looking up the chimney. It's a piece of stationery. This is a Minnesota DNR book page. It's got the pine cones. This is the Moose book. If you give a moose a muffin, storybook. It's a clear bag. Here is some. This is Little Mermaid holiday scrapbook paper, and this is a stationery paper. So children's book page. Here is a windowed envelope that you could use. Here is out of that literature book. And then there's the last page. All right. So that is that one. So I only made two mini ones this time, but I tell you what, I enjoyed making the little ones just as much as I love making the large ones. So there's A Letter to Santa.